Hey, if you're a tax professional or a CPA, or if you're an accountant looking for a great place to work, we're William Costley. I'm here with William, who
Hey,
owns the firm. And William, why don't you just introduce yourself? We're looking to add to the team and help people know a little bit about who you are, where you are, and what's unique to working here at our shop.
hey guys, I'm William. Looking to really expand our team out here. We're a great place to work. We work with small businesses and really just looking for some great people to work with us.
Yeah, and so you're looking for somebody with a little bit more experience. So if you're at a firm and maybe you feel underappreciated, or you're looking for a place that's not just such a meat grinder. Now, you guys are busy, you do a lot of work, but there's a big difference. You guys are focusing on a small group of small business owners, and you're trying to provide a more outsourced accountant, proactive tax planning. But real quick, summarize what type of things will this person be doing? You said they're kind of a manager type of deal. Just summarize real quick, couple bullet points of what they would be up
Yeah,
to.
they're going to be, interacting with that customer directly. You're not going to have to go through another manager. You're going to be in charge of that customer, that account, whatever it may be. And then from there, doing their books, their taxes, payroll. And we'll go through each processee of that, but certainly you're going to be the full charge of that person. And then we'll meet quarterly with the client and all that sort of stuff. But you're really going to be able to take ownership of your work as opposed to a larger firm where it's just like you kind of pass it off, kind of do your little bit. Here, there's going to be a lot more to it.
Yeah, so you're a values-based company, which everybody kind of says, but I've gotten to know you, William, as the marketing guy. And I love how you're always pursuing the best interests of clients, trustworthy, honesty, pursue a win-win between you, the customer, you and your team and you, your team and everybody,
Mhm.
pursuing mastery and ownership. I mean, just what's a quick recap of what people should know about the values and what it's like to work in your environment?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, just, doing the right thing. Can't say that enough about this. I mean, there's so many TikTok videos and videos out there saying that you can do this or that, but really doing the right thing in the workspace, especially when no one's looking. I don't, stand over my employees and tell them this is what they need to do every day. I'm going to trust that you know how to do the job, and we'll check in, of course, on that sort of stuff. But
And this is a flexible place. Like you said, hey, you're going to be in here, you're going to be working hard. You're in Woodstock, Georgia. But this is
Mhm.
really like you're looking for somebody to run this side of the business and really help these small businesses. So we got about 10 seconds here. William, you got like a family and a business. Anything people should know as they are thinking of contacting you and looking for a good fit meeting? Because that's kind of what we're looking to do.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's it right there. So just looking for someone that wants maybe a step away from the whole corporate grind to a more of a hometown sort of feel to it when it comes to accounting. And, we try to offer great benefits and those sort of things to do so.
So if you're interested, just request a conversation. We'll see if we're a good fit. We're looking for a good team member. Thank you, William. Appreciate it so much.
Thanks, guys.
Boom.